My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. I'm doing chapter number 7, class 10 science, introduction to trigonometry. Today I'm doing exercise 7.4 and if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well so that you may get the notifications of newly uploaded videos in time. Please like the videos and share the videos in the groups so that others may know about this channel. Question number 12, exercise 7.4. Right? Okay, we have to prove that left hand side equals to right hand side. Cosine square theta over sine theta plus sine theta equals to cosecant theta. Right. We'll take the left hand side first, which is cosine square theta divided by sine theta plus sine theta. Taking sine theta as an LCM, right? So it will become cosine square theta plus sine square theta divided by sine theta. We know that sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Using this, we have the left hand side is 1 over sine theta. So 1 over sine theta equals to cosecant theta, and which is the left hand side, sorry, the right hand side. So now we have taken the left hand side and we reach to the right hand side. Left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So left hand side equals to the right hand side. Therefore, it proved. Hence, proved. This is all the question number 12. Now come to question number 13. I'll do inshallah all the questions so that you can learn everything, okay? Okay, so secant theta minus cosine theta equals to tangent theta sine theta. Sine theta. Right? Now, again taking the left hand side, which is equals to secant theta minus cosine theta. So now secant theta is 1 over cosine theta, 1 over cosine theta minus cosine theta. Now we know that 1 over cosine theta equals to sine theta. Sorry, equals to secant theta. Right? I'm not taking LCM. 1 minus cosine into cosine is cosine square theta divided by cosine theta. Now using the identity, 1 minus cosine square theta equals to sine square theta. Right? So numerator can be written as sine square theta divided by cosine theta. So, which may be written as sine theta into sine theta divided by cosine theta. Now, we have sine theta over cosine theta equals to tangent theta. So, equals to tangent theta times sine theta. Which is equals to the right hand side. So, left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Right, so this proves the third question. And I hope you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. You may ask me. Now comes the next question, question number 14. I'll do it with you. So left hand side is sine square theta over, I think, sine square theta over cosine theta. The same question as 12. Sine square theta over cosine theta plus cosine theta equals to secant theta now. Again, taking the left hand side, which is equals to cosine square theta over sine square theta over cosine theta plus cosine theta. And now just taking the LCM, it will be sine square theta plus cosine square theta divided by cosine theta, which is equals to 1 over cosine theta, which is equals to secant theta, which is the right hand side. So left hand side equals to the right hand side. Hence proved. Or we may write it verified. Okay, this finishes our question number 14, and I hope you understand it well. And if there are some doubts, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Or if you want to pass some suggestions, you may pass a suggestion on the same number. I'm doing question number 15. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta equals to secant theta cosecant theta. Right? So now using tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, taking left hand side first. Tangent theta plus cotangent theta. Okay. Right, so tangent theta is equals to sine theta over cosine theta plus this is cosine theta over sine theta. Right? Okay, taking LCM. LCM is a multiplication of both cosine theta, sine theta. So these two will be sine square theta. And these two, the multiplication of these two is cosine square theta. Okay, with plus sign. Okay. Using the identity, very first identity, sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. Right, we're using this. Okay, this is the 1 over sine theta cosine theta. 1 over sine theta cosine theta. And we know that 1 over cosine theta equals to secant theta, and 1 over sine theta is cosecant theta, right? Which is our left hand side, sorry, right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Right? Means that if you know the basic identities very well, you can do these questions without any hesitation and without any trouble or problem. I am doing question number 17 of the same exercise. Okay. Sine theta times tangent theta plus cotangent theta equals to secant theta. It's our right hand side. Taking left hand side, sine theta times tangent theta plus cotangent theta. See, this is the same question. This one, the tangent theta plus cotangent theta. We'll do the same procedure here. Okay, so our left hand side will be sine theta times sine theta over cosine theta plus cosine theta divided by sine theta. Right, so this would be sine theta times sine square theta plus cosine square theta divided by sine theta cosine theta. You may see that this sine theta get cancelled with this, and we know that sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. So we have sine square theta plus cosine square theta equals to 1. So using this identity, we have this equals to 1 over cosine theta, which is equals to secant theta, so which is our right hand side. So we have left hand side equals to right hand side, hence proved. Okay. Now comes to question number 18. I'll do 18. Yes, I will. Right. Question number 18. Okay, or I'll go for one example. Right, some of the examples are also very important. Right, we have to consider some examples as well. Right. Okay. So that cosine square theta, this is the example because the space is less, that's why I'm doing the example. And the questions I will do the next time. Okay. Example number 3. Show that the sine square theta divided by cosecant alpha minus 1 okay, equals to cosecant alpha plus 1. Alpha, okay. Cosecant alpha plus 1. Okay. Now, left hand side, okay. This is cotangent square. Okay, now this is cotangent square and this is cosecant alpha. Okay, so cotangent square alpha equals to cotangent square alpha. I will use it. Cotangent square alpha equals to cosecant square alpha minus 1. And left hand side. Cosecant square alpha minus 1. Cosecant square alpha minus 1 over cosecant alpha minus 1. So this may be written as cosecant square alpha minus 1 square over cosecant alpha minus 1. So using a square minus b square formula, we have cosecant alpha plus 1 times cosecant alpha minus 1 divided by cosecant alpha minus 1. Right, so this factor will cancel with this. We left with cosecant alpha plus 1, which is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so it means that the left hand side equals to the right hand side. So hence verified, hence proved. Okay, so this proved our relation. So I have done some questions. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 questions I have done, and I hope that you understand them all. And if there are some doubts, or the things are not clear, voice is not clear, or other things, you may ask me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. Thank you very much for joining me. Please subscribe my channel and please like and share the videos with your friends and share the videos in some WhatsApp groups as well. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Allah Aapka हामी Nasir.